check them out at oxito.com by clicking the link in the video description. Use promo code ONETRICK for 15% off your next order. That's promo code ONETRICK for 15% off your next order. Alright, let's get started on the turn signal switch. Alright, so first bolt that we're going to get is all the way under the steering wheel in this hole over here. It's a 7mm. Okay. Alright, next step is we're going to pop this trim piece right here, the one above the steering wheel. Like so. So there's two bolts hidden behind the steering wheel. So we're going to turn the steering wheel left to expose it. So put the key in the ignition. And that's the one we're after right here. And another 7mm. Alright, with the two bolts removed, you could drop, this trim here is going to drop down, so it exposes our turn signal switch here. Alright, to remove it, it's pretty simple. We're going to pinch the two tabs on top here. Okay, now you could disconnect the connector, so push in the middle here. That's it. Now we're going to put on the new one. Okay, now we're all done. We're going to put everything back. So the three bolts and the two trims.